Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix failed to create directory error on Roblox. Method 1. Repair and reset Roblox. To do that, open Settings. Go to Apps. Select Installed Apps. Scroll down until you see the Roblox app. Click on 3 dot, then select Advanced Options. Click on Repair button. Click on Reset button. Once done, relaunching Roblox and see if problem is fixed. Method 2. Manually create a folder in the directory. Press Windows key R, then type %appdata% and hit Enter. Now, click on AppData. Open Local folder. Go to Roblox folder and open it. Now, if you see Downloads folder, then delete it. After that, right-click anywhere on an empty location, put the mouse cursor on New, and select Folder. Name this folder Downloads. Once done, relaunching Roblox and see if problem is fixed. Method 3. Uninstall and reinstall the Roblox. Open Settings. Select Apps. Select Installed Apps. Scroll down until you see the Roblox app. Click on 3 dot, then select Uninstall. After uninstall is done, press Windows key R, then type %tmp% and hit Enter. Select all the items in the folder and delete them. Restart the computer. After that, open Microsoft Store. Type Roblox on the search box, then install it. Once done, launching Roblox and see if problem is fixed. That's it guys. Hope this is useful.